Hey guys, welcome to MT Paradise. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a cabin air filter in a 2015 Camry. This actually works for all the years right here on the screen, but we're going to be putting in a Bosch cabin air filter. These are on Amazon. There's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys can also pick up a K&N filter, which is a lifetime filter. You can take it out, rinse it, put it back in, and it'll last you the lifetime of the car. But in this case, we're just going to be throwing in the Bosch. But let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're actually going to come into the passenger side. We're going to go into the glove box. We're going to go ahead and open that, and right here in the back you can already see there's this little lever right there. Just going to go ahead and pull that lever, and this whole panel just pops right out. And then right here there's going to be another little tab. You're just going to push on this tab right there, and then there's another one on the other side, and that little cover, let's see, there we go, pops out. And right here is your filter. So you're just going to go ahead and try to slide this out, and make sure you keep in mind the airflow direction is down. So when you get the new filter, make sure you have it going in the same direction. But as you can see, it's pretty dirty. You get like sticks and like little crumbs, gravel in that. And we're gonna go ahead and grab this brand new one. So airflow pointed down. Just gonna take it, slide it right up in there. We're gonna take this little cover, which has up on there. There you go. I'm just going to go ahead and put that right into place. There we go. And this little L-shaped piece goes back in. Make sure you hook the left side in first, and then it just swings right into place. And just like that, cabin air filter is replaced. If this video helped you guys out, definitely go down and hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to check out the links in the description down below so you guys can go pick up your cabin air filters. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.